How to message someone on Facebook dating. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on See More. The option of dating will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it and head over to the profile of the person that you want to connect. You can simply click on this love icon and then send like to that person. And from that person, if you also get the likes, then you two will be connected. Once you are connected with this person, at the very top, you'll find the option of matches. Click on it. Well, you'll find the profile of the person in this page. You have to click on it and then the inbox with that person will appear. Once you land on the inbox page, you will be able to send a message to that person. And then you two will be able to get to know with each other. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can message someone on Facebook dating. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit on the bell icon. And thank you for staying with us till the end.